He's more comfortable flying a left-hand pattern. He's got a tail dragger, so he might be a little better getting stalked.
Yeah.
It's a combination of downwind and gusty wind.
Oh, yeah. Get her down. Go around. You might want to do a come into the wind, huh? Oh, no. He'll probably go around the same way. Give her another shot.
Same way, just try to get it down.
That'll be really.
I was hoping he'd come early. Yeah, wait.
Yeah, this is like bouncy. I couldn't believe you guys were. That's why I called your cell phone.
Well, that's why I wanted to leave this morning. It was calm. I called him and.
Well, oh, good. The wind just died down now for a second.
Yeah, he might be okay.
You just got to get in lower. Still a little bit high. Okay. Yeah, it'll work better. That's where we land our RC planes. Yep. Yeah, it'll just about come to.
I just don't like the idea of going over the end of the hill. Don't get stopped.
Way stopped. Look at that. That was pretty slick. I'll go get a close-up of it.